To delete your Dropship.io account, follow these steps. Log in. Sign into your Dropship.io account using your credentials. Account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the Dropship.io dashboard. Find account deletion option. Look for an option to delete or close your account. This might be located under a section like account settings, profile settings, or privacy settings. Initiate deletion. Click on the option to delete your account. Dropship.io may ask for confirmation to proceed with the deletion. Follow prompts. Follow any prompts or instructions provided by Dropship.io to complete the account deletion process. You may be asked to confirm your decision again. Verify deletion. Check your email or account dashboard for confirmation that your Dropship.io account has been deleted. Ensure that all personal information and data associated with your account have been removed. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or require assistance with deleting your account, contact Dropship.io customer support for further guidance.